Good day everyone. So today, let's begin to the Group 2 video presentation. I am Kazelio Labasan. Our discussion for today is all about social dance. How can we perform these kinds of dance or what social dance really mean? So today, we are going to talk about this. What is social dance? Social dance, a type of dance performed by groups of people in a social setting like parties or gatherings. It's a recreational dance where individuals interact and dance together. Social dance is often done without a strict choreography. There are some popular examples of social dances like salsa, tango, rumba, and many more. Social dance has been a part of human culture for millennia. Social dance began as a way for people to celebrate, express emotion, build a social connection, and communicate non-verbally. So, since all of us, we already know what non-verbally mean, no? So, meaning to say, they can communicate through action or through movements. Throughout the history, guys, the different culture have developed their own forms of social dance in different country, different place, all over the world po, no? They have their own forms of social dance, most likely influenced by their costume, music, and local interaction. Social dance has a long history and extend deep into our human past. Ballroom dance, a partner dance style that typically involves pairs of dancers performing graceful, coordinated movements to music. Ballroom dance has a variety of formal dances like foxtrot, tango, and others. Ballroom is often followed by specific step and patterns. Ballroom dance is commonly seen in elegant settings such as ballroom competitions or formal social events. As we know, ballroom dance has evolved over centuries and is various dance style and cultural tradition. Ballroom dance can be traced back to the European court dance of the 16th and 17th centuries, where the noble and aristocracy performed dance style. So when we say noble po is ito po yung kilala na pamilya and mayaman na pamilya. Actually, more on working on government po, no? Kumbaga parang sikat yung pamilya nila tapos mayaman, no? Kilalang mayaman yung pamilya nila. Then, while the aristocracy, it is mayaman ka lang pero hindi kilala yung pamilya nyo. Yan po sila yung mga nagpapa-perform ng this social dance, iba't ibang kinds of social dance, no? Marami tayo. Yan po sila yung nagpapa-perform ng mga ganitong uri ng sayaw when they have their events or social gatherings. Okay, so let's proceed. The 19th and early 20th centuries, guys, ballroom dance became more standardized and popularized to the development dance style like waltz, foxtrot, tango, and many more. No, ballroom dance also gained popularity in ballroom competition. Ballroom began to take its popularity during the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe. No? Ballroom dance continued to spread to the different parts of the world, becoming popular and formalized dance style. Folk dance, a traditional form of dance that reflects cultural heritage of a particular region, country, or community. Folk dance is often involved a simple, repetitive steps and is passed down through generations. Folk dance is also often performed at local celebrations, festivals, and social gatherings. In doing this, it helps preserve and showcase the unique traditions and history of a specific culture. Okay, this is the example of folk dance here in the Philippines or here in our country. Folk dance has rich and diverse history rooted through cultural tradition of various community, have been passed down through generation and generation. Folk dance guys are usually used as a form for storytelling, celebrating, and communicating within their community. Folk dance has evolved as a way for people to express their cultural heritage, rituals, and everyday life through movements. Folk dance has often reflects through local costume, music, social events, festival, and celebrating throughout the history. Tango is a partner dance that originated in the late 19th century. It involves two people dancing closely and moving in synchronized manner to music. Tango is known for its passionate and dramatic movements with detail, footwork, and close connection between the dancer. It has also different styles including Argentine tango and ballroom tango, with each has a unique own characteristic. Tango is a rich complex with roots that can be traced back to the 19th centuries in the Rio de Plata region of South America, primarily borders area of Argentina and Uruguay. Tango is known for its close connection between the dancer by a dramatic movements and expressive footwork. Tango is known for a symbol of passion and um, romance, no? So, yung tango is sinasayaw siya ng both man and woman. It is the combination of Argentina and Uruguay.